Welcome back to the channel, another segment of Bolos with Brian. Are you a reseller looking for an item with a great sell-through rate? Look at this one. If you search keyword Leatherman multi-tool, you'll see there's 6,600 listed and 15,000 sold in the last 90 days. And some of those 15,000 are selling for big money. Check this out. This one sold January 4th for $2,020. This one sold December 3rd for $1,850. Finally, this one sold October 24th for $1,700 at auction. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this information. If you did, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more Bolos with Brian.